So today we are going to see the topic called as a transmission media. So first of all, we all must know what is the meaning of transmission media or transmission medium. So transmission medium is what? It is a physical path between the transmitter and receiver. That is, it is a channel through which we are sending some information or data from sender to the receiver. So basically or broadly, this transmission media, it is divided into two medium which is called as guided. First one is guided media and second one is the unguided media. Guided media, it is also called as wired or bounded media, and unguided media, it is also called as wireless or unbounded media. So you have to keep in mind, guided means wired media and unguided means wireless media. So the simple example of this guided is like if we want to connect internet to our device. So at that time, if you are taking some with the help of wire, if you are connecting your internet to your device, so it is come under the guided media. And for internet access, if you are using the Wi-Fi connection, so that is the unguided media. Again, these guided media divided into three types or categories. First one is the twisted pair cable or wire, coaxial cable, and third one is the fiber optical or fiber optic cable. And unguided means wireless media. It is divided into again three categories: radio waves, microwaves, or infrared. Means you can say that in unguided media, each and every transmission of data, it is present in the space. So in unguided media, the data transmission present in the form of waves. Okay, so we cannot see that, but in the form of waves, the data transmission is present. Okay, so today we are going to see the first guided category, which is called as twisted pair cable. Okay, so basically twisted pair cable, it is first category of the guided media. Okay, so in the basic diagram for the twisted pair cable is like this: two wires, they are twisted with each other. Okay, each wire is having copper metal inside with it and outer covering of insulator. So you can say that twisted pair cable, in the name only the meaning is present. Pair means having two cables, okay, and they are twisted with each other. So one cable it is used, or one wire it is used for transmission of data, and another wire it is for the grounded purpose. Okay, then basically twisted pair cable, why the twisting is happening in this type of twisted pair cable? Because whenever the data transmission is present, okay, so each and every data transmission, it is not pure. Each and every time some kind of disturbance is happening, okay, in the data transmission. So that disturbance, in technical language, it is called as noise, interface, or crosstalk. Okay, so all these three words are having the same meaning. Okay, what is it? Noise, crosstalk, and EMI, which is called as electromagnetic interference. Okay, so to reduce these three you can say attributes, that is noise, crosstalk, and electromagnetic interference, the twisting of cables, it is done in the twisted pair cable. Okay, so this is the main purpose of twisting of the cables. After that, twisted pair cables, they are again classified into two types: unshielded twisted pair cable and shielded twisted pair cable. It is also called as UTP, and shielded twisted pair cable, it is called as STP. Okay, so from name only we can see the difference from unshielded and shielded twisted pair cable. Okay, so basically in the diagram you can see in unshielded twisted pair cable, which is UTP, and here it is STP. So here you can see the outer jacket, which is for protection, this outer jacket is present, and these are four pairs of the cables. Okay, these are four pairs of the twisted pair cable. So here the extra protection shield is not present, okay, in unshielded twisted pair cable. But here in shielded twisted pair cable you can see the extra braided foil shield, or you can say that extra protection plastic shield is present in the shielded twisted pair cable. So basically these types of, or all these twisted pair cables, they are used to create local area network or to create a LAN. Okay, so basically these types of cable, they are having some categories which is called as category 1 to category 7. Okay, so on the basis of speed these categories are classified. So the category 1's speed or data rate is less than 0.1 Mbps. Okay, so in this way, on the basis of data rate or speed, these category of twisted pair wires, they are classified. Okay, so category 5 and category 6, up to category 6 UTP with speed cables are used, and category 7 uses the shielded pair twisted pair cable which is having 10 Mbps of data transmission rate. Okay, so this is about the twisted pair cables of the guided media. Okay, so thank you.